Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so let me see here. So I have a funny story. Well, it's not that funny, but Okay, so first of all, Bitcoin is reviving. Very, very good. Okay, I have another scenario count that I want to share with you guys. So let me see here. Okay, so this is the third wave. We're all done with that. This is the fourth wave. We all agree with that. Now, I did add this count that this was a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we're doing the fifth wave. Okay, so now I don't understand. Didn't I have another one? Oh yeah, here. Okay, so now I am not sure, okay? I just want to put it there. As you can see, things can change fast. And this is Bitcoin, so it doesn't care about what you think or if you got it right or wrong. Let me, in the same time, clear out some chart here. So yeah, the other thing I'm looking now, maybe this could be an ABC for the wave 1. Okay, so wave 1 in blue, and possibly, I don't know, maybe we already did the wave 2, and I'm going to put it here for a moment. Wave 2, we did reach 0.382. I know ideally we would go 0.5, 0.618, but this is Bitcoin, and technically wave 2 can be very shallow, and that's often what crypto does to piss us off. We're waiting, optimal levels, and then it barely do the minimum 0.382, and then it goes. So now this could be allegedly wave 1, wave 2 already done, and working on the third wave. If it does that, then we're going to make a new higher high, and it means, yeah, we can push price even higher, and that's going to complete just this third wave here that, for the moment I put it here, but if we actually complete that, yeah, then we can go much higher, and then our fourth wave is going to be, well, for sure it's going to go higher, right? Because this is our static, but it's going to push the potential for the top even further. For the moment, I'm going to still leave it here, and we shall see, because this could be still done, and we have an incomplete, count for this white count, and this could be the top, and then we can have just an A, and possibly even overshooting wave B and a C to do that fourth wave in yellow. So, but for the moment, I try to be a little bit more positive. What's the potential for that? Well, this ABC for wave 1, this is wave 2, and now we're going to see. I'm going to make the Fibonacci extension now and see what could be the probable result or target for this third wave, allegedly. Okay, I'm going to put the diagonal, maybe left side, it would be okay. Okay, so you can see that that would be amazing, right? Ideally, 103.891, well, 102.886 also could be possible. Let's see if how it goes with that. Okay, so yeah, taking profits maybe on Bitcoin ETFs, as you can see. Okay, so now the funny story, which is not that funny, but anyway, depending on the point of view. So yesterday I was kind of fed up a little bit. Bitcoin was going down, and then I was, I'm having profit. I have a margin spot, and I'm paying interest at the end, right? And price is going on the side. I believe Bitcoin is going to make a bigger pullback, and so I sold here. Okay, so I literally sold here. And then what happened? In your face. It just 15 minutes, literally 15 minutes after that I sold, this happened. Because I sold here and this happened. And luckily, I had an alarm. I had an alarm here. So I jumped back in because it's making a new higher high, local higher high, and so I did join the ride. And yeah, I was, this was the scenario: wave A, wave B, potential wave C, but I wasn't sure. The price wasn't going very well, and that's what happened when we lose our patience. Literally, something happened, and then this happened, and yeah, I had the 1-to-1 ratio, and then after that, I said, I'm getting out, not completely, just taking partial profits. You can see now price it's chilling off. I believe now this could be just okay. So this ABC, I believe this is just the wave A. If I zoom out, this is a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 has to go much higher. This is not acceptable level for a third wave. I refuse. Okay, so if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, it has to reach $1.86 or $1.93 or $2. So this is too short. So I'm having this thesis that this is bigger wave A, this is wave B ongoing, and we're going to push higher. And within this B wave, as you can see in blue, I believe this is the wave A, this is wave B ongoing, and eventually wave C. I know blue is not the best choice. 1-to-1 ratio, $1.51. I have an alarm here at $1, let's say 53 to round it up. And I'm going to scale back more at this level. Okay, so what else did I want to say? Someone asked me about my experience. Well, I've been trading for a while now, since 2000. And as majority of people, I was using support and a resistance, RSIs. I think that's about it. And I was, I was successful, but not crazy successful. And since 4 or 5 years ago, I integrated Fibonacci and Elliott waves. It just completely changed the game. I'm not the same person anymore. I know my entries are, I mean, amazing. Usually I'm very modest person, but it's amazing. It's not me. It's the tool. I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to compare something. If I drive a Honda Civic and I drive a Ferrari, yeah, maybe the driver can make a difference a little bit. But at the end of the day, when you compare a Honda Civic and a Ferrari, the difference is the Ferrari. Okay, so because you can suck at driving, but you can still do amazing things. So I believe, to me, Fibonacci and Elliott waves are the equivalent of a Ferrari. So I'm doing amazing things because I'm using, in my opinion, amazing tools. But maybe these tools are meant for me, because other people, they don't like it, and then they perform as good as well. I don't know, with others. So we're all different. And the hardest thing is to try and pick and choose the one that it's better fit for us. The indicator that I use, it's MA200 and MA50. I think, yeah, I'm going to do another video, maybe not today because I'm about to leave and catch the plane. I actually need to finish to do my luggage. But yeah, during my traveling, I'm going to do one video on how I do my settings, explain the Fibonacci levels, extension, and retracements. Elliott waves, how do they work, maybe. And yeah, it is a life-changing money. Not that I can retire, and not that I can buy a Ferrari. Anyway, here the roads are not that amazing. And yeah, so just life-changing money. You have many layers. You have life-changing money that you can retire. Either you can buy an airplane, you can buy a Ferrari, or you're not as stressed anymore to pay your mortgage, and you can go more often in a restaurant, or you can go, instead of going 2 in 1 week in vacation, you can take 3, something like that. So life-changing money, different degrees, they're all good because they all get your your life better, right? So that's how I see it. And all right, so I think this is pretty much what I wanted to show you with you guys. So The important thing also, the only thing I am really convinced, and then if I can give you an advice, it's find a way to have alarms. So that's the thing. If you put alarms, like in this case, I would have felt so bad, right? Because I saw here and then it skyrocketed. But I had an alarm and then I was able to jump in. Also, I just invested in this one. Margin spot. Brett. I receive a notification. It's breaking out here. And then so I jump in. Now, is I don't know, maybe it wasn't the good time. I don't know. But we did, let me go on the 1 hour. I believe this is the third wave. We're doing a boring fourth wave. As you can see, we are into this side consolidation triangle. I have another alarm here, as you can see. So when we're definitely breaking out, then I'm going to scale in even more. No, this alarm, I don't get it. Why are you there? Don't get it. Huh. I think this was to take profits. Not relevant anymore, honestly. But I'm going to put it here. Because this is going to be one of my confirmation that it's breaking. Well, first of all, now it's doing the price is challenging the previous higher high, local one, and then this one is the second one. This it's really my confirmation that's well, actually second confirmation is going higher. So I will have this one, the red downtrend that is breaking out. I will have this one is making another higher high, local one, and actually after that, if this one trigger, I'm going to take it and put it here. And when I get that one, this is the third one, and we would see more likely price skyrocketing for sure at this level. I mean, it could go starting from this level here, but so this is importance. You have alarms, you can catch something. If you don't have alarm, well, you sleep, you snooze. No, you snooze, you lose. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope I had more time, but today I don't. So hopefully we can catch up later during this. We are Friday today. Maybe during this weekend I can make a few video. I think I'm going to be more active in just putting screenshots on things that I see, and so it's quicker and don't need a laptop to carry with me all the time. So I'll try to do my best to see what to share what I see in the market, and hopefully, yeah, we're going to have an amazing Friday. I honestly thought today market were closed, but then it looks like they're not. Okay, so have a good day, bye, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.